I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with the Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. We're in North Central San Antonio, and it's pretty much a whole house remodel that we're working on. Today we're going to show you the kitchen part and pretty much the downstairs part and master bathroom. So we're standing in the kitchen and
it's going to be gone here in a little bit.
All going away.
We're going to start Bama next week. All the cabinets, countertops, all that's going to be removed, and we're actually going to save them and donate them to Habitat for Humanity, which we try to do on every one of our projects. We are keeping the dishwasher and the refrigerator as they're new. One of the things with the refrigerator is it sticks out so far, so the wall behind the refrigerator is a closet, so we're actually going to knock this wall back so that we can sink the fridge back in a little bit, get a little bit more room in here.
And with the island, when we were planning, there were a few things. We're keeping the footprint of the space, other than borrowing some of the space like you were talking about. But the island, is this getting any bigger, or it's just we're kind of
basically the
redoing
same.
the area? Yeah. Because one thing we want to make sure of is like the plumbing is staying where it was before. So the cabinets, we're getting an extension on the cabinets, but we're going to fairly keep very similar with it, but out with the old, in with the new.
And there will be a mud cabinet going in the laundry room as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to walk over to the master suite area, which also the layout's staying relatively the same, which helps with costs, but we're updating all of the materials.
But this was something, like this is kind of sticking out, it's sort of a walkway. It was never really used to have seating or anything, so this is going to be cut down a lot, and then that's where you're borrowing space from.
That's the closet. We're going to use space for the fridge at. So then, as we walk over to the master wing suite, same. All the flooring's going to get replaced.
The master swing.
It'll be all the tile or wood floor actually that's going in here. And it's a beautiful color that they've already picked out. So
this is all getting redone.
Right. There is upstairs work, but we're not going to go up there right now. We're going to go in here to there's a powder room. Again, that's going to get redone too. But mainly the master suite wing, or as I said, swing, is where we're going now. So come follow us this way through the little hallway and into.
Yeah. So all the flooring here right now, it's carpet, and the carpet goes into the bathroom. No carpet in the bathroom. That's
It was the
wet
style.
area. It was a thing when the house was built. So all of this is going to go away. There's wallpaper on the walls, and the homeowner doesn't even really use this knee space, so we can gain extra storage space. When they were built, I mean, like I am not a tall person, and this is a lot to lean.
It was the style
so
back
everything
then.
will be raised and be nice and even. So this is also going away, but I think we're going to shorten this, and you're going to have the glass panel that's going to come down.
We're going to make the door wider. We're going to bring the floor up so you have no threshold, so it's easy to walk in and out. Kind of just making it a little bit more up to date more than anything.
Yeah, and I think we're keeping the tub, though.
We're going to try to keep the tub.
We're going to try and keep the tub. But all the surround, everything's going to look very, very different. And some of the other things is we're going to update the sconces here. Not everyone uses their medicine cabinets, so these are actually going to go away. It'll be nice and clean, and then we'll be able to, these are kind of over here, so we'll be able to move these over. Some ones that are going to match, because this is going away as well. So there's a whole lot.
And there you see, it's so short so you can sit on it. So really it's updating everything to today's look, today's materials. This is old cultured marble. We're getting rid of that. So
yeah.
But ideally, some of the stuff staying in the same place to save costs. So the next time we come here will probably be while the work's going on, and demo and all kinds of cool stuff that's behind the drywall. And then after that will be another one. Hopefully we're a little bit closer to being finished. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Hopefully we've shown you something cool and get to see something else cool coming up.
Yeah, and the moral to this is no carpet
in the bathroom.
ever. Mold.